create Korean style short ribs. And I got a few here and I'm going to cut them so they're easy to manage and to cook. Just cut them. They have the bone here. Doesn't have to be all them short cuts. Some of them can be longer, you know. So I put them in a container, contour a little bit of soy sauce, sprinkling around, you know. Contour some garlic powder, no garlic salt, but garlic powder. Some sugar, about a tablespoon. And you're going to mix these babies, okay? Let's mix it up. You can do this overnight, you can do an hour before. Don't put salt because the soy sauce has salt already, okay? In a white pan, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some, I'm preheating it, and I'm going to put some oil, cooking oil, doesn't matter the type. Preheat this baby a little bit. So I have some green onions, and I put the green part aside. I'm going to, the part that is stronger at the bottom, and I'm going to add them. And I'm going to saute this baby briefly. Just briefly. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding these ribs. Oh, that smells delicious. Just move them, mix this stuff up. And this is going to generate some juices. So what I'm going to do, going to make sure both sides cook. And medium high, you know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some soy sauce on the egg. It's about a tablespoon to create that juice. Let's put a couple notches above medium instead, lowering the temperature. Then I'm going to add some crunch red pepper to add some spice to the sweetness. And I added them earlier because I want them to cook. I don't want them to solid. It's going to be spicy too, by the way. Sweet and spicy. Let them cook for a little bit, few minutes, before you flip them, okay? It's going to be delicious. Then I'm going to move them, flip them. Oh, that's looking pretty. Just flip them. It's been about maybe 3 minutes. So maybe 4, 3 or 4. So I flip them to put the other side. But also, because I'm going to add some honey. This is about maybe a teaspoon of honey. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up to sweeten this further. I'm add a tiny bit more soy sauce so it doesn't become too thick. Just a little bit more, if you know what I mean. There we have it. Took about another 5-6 minutes, if that. Smells delicious. And you can eat this with rice and with some noodles. But we're going to put it together now, okay? So this is how I take it to the next level. I'm going to add some cucumbers. You can just eat cucumbers raw. Typically, a lot of people prefer that, but I want to give them some flavor too, you know what I mean? What I'm going to do, I'm going to cook them for about 3, maybe 5 minutes with the meat still here, the Korean ribs. So those juices and those flavors continue transmitting. Just leave it a notch above medium, maybe even medium. Let's go for another 5 minutes, okay? Get the sweetness, the spices into these cucumbers, okay? So that's some noodles. You could have rice too, but I went with the noodles. And now is when you start adding your stuff. I like to add some of my my ribs, cucumbers, and you can add some of the sauce and stuff like that too, by the way. That's simple. Sprinkle some greens. Why not, right?